Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Tannewitz TR 2012 VW bandsaw. It's 3 horsepower, 208 230 volt, 3-phase power, 20 inches of throat space, has a blade capacity of 1/8 to 1 inch. Also, it is variable speed. It's probably the nicest feature of this machine. Allows you to cut wood, metal, plastic. It's variable speed of 50 to 5200 RPM. It does have a built-in chip blower, work light. Like I said, it's just fully optioned. Really nice clean tables. If you take a look, you're going to see it's still mounted to the original skid. Really low hour machine. It achieves that 50 to 5200 RPMs off of 2 gears. You basically have a gear here. You have a shifting lever here from slow to fast speed. You have a 4-speed gear ratio here and a stepped pulley here. That just ensures that you have maximum torque at all speeds. If they just did it with a VFD, you obviously wouldn't develop the same amount of torque at every speed. Again, a really nice, really clean machine. Someone added this side flip fence here. It's really nice, just flips out of the way. Of course, you've got your locking fence. You do have a digital readout. Go ahead and start it real fast. The clicking you hear is simply just the guard and up, and the back side of the guard is rubbing a little bit. You do have your blade cutter, grinder, welder, all built into this machine. It also does have a built-in chip blower if you hook air up to it. We don't have air hooked up to it, it's a simple air wand. You have your tensioner. Tires are in excellent condition. There's no wear, no lines. They're actually pretty much factory fresh, to be honest with you. Again, it's just a really low hour, low use machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.